Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video you are going to see how to sort your text or paragraphs or words or numbers or dates in Word. So we're going to go to Word, and I have a few words that are not in order, and I also have dates. I also have numbers. So we're going to first sort out these words. So all you have to do is just highlight them, and then you're going to click on this sort button right here. So it's going to sort text. It already determines that this is text, so you can either sort it in ascending order or descending order. As you can see, I'm going to set in descending order, and then as you can see, words is the first word. So we're going to go to date next. Click the sort button. As you can see, it already determines that it is a date, so I'm going to go ahead and sort using ascending order, and as you can see, it is in ascending order. So going to the numbers, I'm going to highlight them and still click the sort button. As you can see, it's already numbered. There are only three options. There is numbers, words, text, and dates. That's the way you can only sort these in Word. This helps you in case you have something in Word that you want to sort and you don't want to go to Excel. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to drop a like to this video if you really got some information that is helpful to you, and subscribe for more amazing videos. Bye.